Solved problems. Consignment accounts. Ledger accounts in the books of consignor. Problem. Wonder Bicycles Limited, Mysore consigned 2500 bicycles to Mahindra Bicycles, Bangalore at an invoice price of 250 each, the cost price being 225 each. Wonder Bicycles Bangalore paid 5000 for packing, 10,000 for freight charge and 7500 insurance. During the transit, 50 bicycles were destroyed and insurance claimed and settled for 2500. Mahindra Bicycles took delivery of consignment and accepted a bill for 25,000 for 3 months. Consignee entitled to 5% commission on sales. Mahindra Company Limited reported the following towards the end. 1500 bicycles were sold at 300 each for cash. 500 bicycles were sold at rupees 350 on credit. Expenses incurred by him were unloading 5000, godown rent 4500, advertising 3000 and salesman salary 12500. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of Wonder Bicycles Limited. Solution. In the books of Wonder Bicycles Limited, Mysore, consignment to Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore account, debit, credit, date particulars amount on the debit side and the date particulars credit on the credit side. On the debit side, 2 goods sent on consignment, 2500 bicycles at 250 each, 6,25,000. 2 bank packaging 5000 rupees. 2 bank freight charges paid 10,000 rupees. 2 bank insurance paid 7,500. By insurance settlement, 50 bicycles only settled for 2,500. This is a transit loss claim. Mahindra Bicycles paid for unloading expenses 5,000 rupees on the debit side. On the debit side again, 2 Mahindra Bicycles godown rent paid by Mahindra Bicycles 4,500. On the debit side, 2 Mahindra Bicycles advertisement expenses paid by him 3,000. On the debit side, 2 Mahindra Bicycles salesman salaries paid by Mahindra Bicycles 12,500. On the credit side, by Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore sale of 1500 bicycles at 300 each, 4,50,000 and Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore sales 500 bicycles at 350 each on credit 1,75,000. On the debit side, to Mahindra Bicycles commission on 4,50,000 plus 1,75,000 at the rate of 5%, it comes to 31,250. On the credit side, we have to record the stock on consignment. We have consigned 2,500 bicycles and we have sold 2,000 bicycles. 50 bicycles were damaged. We have so stock of 450 bicycles at the rate of 250. We have to credit consignment account with 1,12,500. Now on the credit side, by goods sent on consignment, this is the reversal of premium charged on the consignment. The cost is 225. But we invoiced Mahindra Bicycles at 250. So that the difference we have to reduce 225. That difference we have to credit to consignment account 2,500 into 25, 62,500. We have recorded the stock at the rate of 250, but that is not the cost of the stock. That is including premium. So we have to reduce that premium now. So on the debit side, the consignment account, to stock on consignment suspense account 450 units at 25, 11,250 on the debit side. When we total the credit side, it is coming to 8,02,500. When we total the debits and balance the account, we are getting a profit on consignment as 87,500. Now all the totals 8,02,500 and credits 8,02,500. In the books of Wonder Bicycles Limited, Mysore, Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore account consignee, debit, credit. On the debit side, date, particulars amount. On the credit side, date, particulars, amount. On the credit side, by bills receivable 25,000. Again on the credit side, unloading expenses 5,000 paid by Mahindra Bicycles to be credited to his account. On the credit side, by go down rent 4,500 paid by Mahindra Bicycles. On the credit side, by advertisement 3,000 paid by Mahindra Bicycles. On the credit side, by salesman salaries 12,500. On the debit side, 2 sales 1,500 bicycles at 3,000 4,50,000. 2 sales 500 into 350 each 1,75,000. On the credit side, by commission on sales at the rate of 5% comes to 31,250. Sales made by Mahindra Bicycles debited to his account is 6,25,000. When we balance the account on the debit side and credit side, there is a difference of 5,43,750 to be paid by Mahindra Bicycles to be settled through bank. Goods sent on consignment account, debit, credit, date, particulars, amount on the debit side, date, particulars, amount on the credit side. On the credit side, by consignment to Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore, 2,500 bicycles at 250 each, 6,25,000. On the debit side, to consignment to Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore, 2,500 into 25 each, 62,500. Difference of invoice price and cost price. When we balance the account, there is a balance of 5,62,500 to balance transfer to trading account. Stock on consignment account. On the debit side, to consignment to Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore, 450 into 250 each, 1,12,500. On the credit side, by balance carried forward, 1,12,500 and this is transferred to balance brought forward, 1,12,500 for the next period. Stock on consignment suspense account. On the credit side, by consignment to Mahindra Bicycles, 450 into 25 each, 11,250. We balance the account to balance carried forward 11,250 and by balance brought forward 11,250 for the subsequent period. In the books of Mahindra Bicycles Bangalore, Wonder Bicycles Limited Mysore Consignor. On the debit side and credit side, debit side date, particulars, amount, and on the credit side date, particulars, and amount. On the credit side, by cash sales 1,500 units at 300 each, 4,50,000. By accounts receivable 500 into 350 each, 1,75,000. On the debit side, to bills payable 25,000. On the debit side, to cash unloading expenses 5,000. On the debit side, to cash go down rent 4,500. On the debit side, cash advertisement expenses 3,000. On the debit side, to cash salesman salaries 12,500. On the debit side, to cash commission on total sales at 5%, 31,250. Total sales credited to Wonder Bicycles Limited is 6,25,000 and there is a balance of 5,43,750 to be settled by Mahindra Bicycles to Wonder Bicycles Limited. So to bank on the debit side 5,43,750.